Before we start, can you solve this puzzle and connect all the dots with 4 straight lines? You cannot remove the pen from the paper once you start. That is where the first line ends. You start your second line from there. Have a go. Don't worry if you can't figure it out. We have the tutorial at the end of the video. Tips and Fun Week 7 Video 21. Mental addition and subtraction in seconds. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program of Grammar School Maths Test. This is our 7th week. Today we will do mental addition and subtraction, and we'll have some fun. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now for exciting tips and fun. When we know some techniques, we can add or subtract numbers very quickly and without pen and paper. Technique 1. We look at the place value and add multiples of 10, 100, etc. Example 1. 730 plus 60. Here, 730 has 73 tens, and 60 has 6 tens. So, instead of long addition, we just do 73 tens plus 6 tens. We have 79 tens, or 790. Easy and simple, isn't it?
"55 tens plus 7 tens is 62 tens. So, the total is 620. Alternatively, you can do 7 plus 5 is 12. We carry forward 1, so it is 620.
Example 2. 8,693 plus 600. Here, the first number has 86 hundredths, and the second number has 6 hundredths. So, we simply add 86 plus 6, which is 92. The tens and ones value will be unchanged. So, the answer is 9,293.
We simply add 3 hundredths to 78 hundredths. So, we have 81 hundredths. We carry down tens and ones.
Example 3. 9,370 plus the missing value equals 9,870. If we closely examine two numbers, we can see that only the hundredths place value has increased from 3 to 8. So, we just subtract 8 minus 3, which is 500. So, the answer is 500. Technique 2. Partition or split the number and make the calculation easier. Example 4. 1,542 plus 250. We split 250 into 250. Now, the first number has 5 hundredths, and the second number has 2 hundredths, totaling 700. Next, we add 5 tens to 4 tens. So, the answer is 1,792. Easy and simple. Example 5. 7,383 plus 608. We split 608 into 608. Now, 6 plus 3 is 9. So the hundredths place value is 9. Then, 83 plus 8 is 91. So, our answer is 7,991. Technique 3. Add or subtract in chunks to make a simple number. Example 6. 7,977 plus 993. We know that 993 plus 7 is 1,000. So we add 1,000 first, then subtract 7 from the result. So 7,977 plus 1,000 is 8,977. Now, 8,977 minus 7 is 8,970. Simple, isn't it?
We simply add 1 to 39 and subtract 1. 1 plus 39 is 40. Now it is easier to add. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we subtract 1 from 3. So the answer is 1892. Amazing, isn't it?
We can use the same 3 techniques for subtraction. Example 7. 1,561 minus 40. 1,561 has 6 tens, and 40 has 4 tens. 6 tens minus 4 tens is 2 tens. So 1,561 minus 40 is 1,521. Example 8. 3,376 minus 400. Now, 400 equals 400, and 3,376 has 33 hundredths. So, 33 minus 4 is 29 hundredths. Tens and ones remain unchanged. So, 3,376 minus 400 equals 2,976. Example 9. 688 minus 56. We split the small number to make the calculation easy. So, 688 minus 50 minus 6. Now, 8 tens minus 5 tens is 3 tens, and 8 minus 6 is 2. Simple and easy. Example 10. 3,396 minus 67 is 3,396 minus 60 minus 7. Now, 9 tens minus 6 tens is 3 tens. 36 minus 7 is 29. So the answer is 3,329. Example 11. 781 minus 290. So, we add 10 to make 290 into 300. Now, it is easy to subtract 300 from 700. We have 481. Now we add 10 and we have 491. Quick and simple.
We add 5 more to make 795 to 800. Now it is super easy to subtract 800 from 801. We have 1. 1 plus 5 is 6.
Example 12. 5,100 minus 460. We can do it in 2 ways. First, add 40 to make it 500. Now, 51 hundredths minus 500 is 46 hundredths. Add 40 and we have 4,640. The second way is to add 540 to make 460 into 1,000. Now, 5,000 minus 1,000 is 4,000. Add 540 and we have 4,640. Amazing, isn't it? The success of this mental method depends on how quickly you can scan these numbers and find the possibility of applying these techniques. So, practice more. Now, magic grid. Let's recap the 16-digit magic grid. All of you who are watching right now can participate in this magic. Here we have a 4x4 grid. Let's fill it up with the numbers 1 to 16. Now, take a pen and a paper. In a minute, I will ask you to select some numbers, and I will give you some numbers too. At the end, we will add them together. However, I know from human nature what numbers you will select. So, I am writing a number here. It would be amazing if all numbers were the same as yours. Let's start the magic. Please select a number from the grid. Once you select the number, cross out that row and column so that you do not select any number from that row and column.
I have selected 7. However, you can select any number and cross out that row and column.
Select second number. Cross out that row and column.
I have selected 4. However, you can select any number and cross out that row and column.
Now, I am giving you... Wait, what was the number again? Oh yes, I am giving you the number 6. Put 6 under your second number. Select your third number. Cross out that row and column. Finally, select your fourth number. I'm giving you number 5. I'll give you number 5. Put it under your number. Add them all. Now, let me use my psychic power. You have... Oh, come on, let my brain power's brain. Aha! It's it. Your number is 45. Genius. How did I do that? The way we select those 4 numbers. They always add up to 34. I gave you 6 plus 5, or 11. So, 34 plus 11 is 45. Amazing, isn't it? Now, you can surprise your friends with this math trick. Connecting all dots with 4 straight lines. This is how you connect all dots with 4 straight lines.
Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Amazing, isn't it? If you like it, please subscribe, click on the like button and share.
That's all from 11 Plus Maths Genius for this week. If you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe so you don't miss any lectures, mocks, tips, or fun. Until then, be vigilant when you are outside, stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.